What's up, guys? So today I wanted to show you my 2015 Silverado. It's the extended cab. I actually just got some tires. They are 33 12.5 20 on the stocks. I just want to share this video because I did a lot of research before I did this. I did the leveling kit from bilstein. If you can see them in there. They are the 5100s, so they actually have the adjuster, so they adjust up, and the truck sits really nice and leveled. I don't know if you can tell, it's actually on a slope right now, sorry about that. But so yeah, I spent a bunch of time researching, and but I actually really liked how it turned out. It still has enough space to fit 35s, which is what the guy had told me I could fit. But he did mention that if I do 35s and I'm in terrain, it'll definitely be rubbing, and it will rub at full lock. With the 33s, you don't. So I just want to have that peace of mind. And as you can see, I've had no rubbing whatsoever with these 33s. They're actually mud terrains. I was looking for all terrains, but I went with the mud terrains just so they have a little bit of an aggressive look on the truck itself, and fill up the well a little more. They are an off-brand. If anybody's looking for tires, they're called Shirt Track. I've never heard of them before. The guy recommended them. He always has some in stock. They're pretty affordable. They ran me about 200 bucks a piece. And it's not my daily driver, so I decided to just give these a try. I've driven it a few, about 250 miles now maybe, and I love them, man. The bilsteins work great. The suspension's there. They are a little more stiff, of course, than the general ones that I had. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything on the suspension, let me know. I will be doing the shocks on the back here in the next week or two. I'm actually going to be doing the Flowmaster tomorrow, so I'm going to be putting up a video of that. How does that sound? This is the V6 4.3 V6. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a look of what a leveled bilstein, what the bilsteins look like of the Silverado on 33s. Smooth ride. You're not losing any of the nice ride suspension in the front compared to what I've heard is like when you put the spacer on the bottom of the shock or the top of the shock. I heard a lot of bad things about that stuff. So yeah, just want to give you a quick look. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment. And stay tuned. I will be putting up that video soon of the Flowmaster. Like I said, I'll be taking that in tomorrow. All right, talk to you later, guys.